My name is Wandanku Eslali. I am a cohort 8 scholar, and this year I happen to be a participant in the summer camp school organized by Mastercard Foundation Scholars. This year I chose to do cake baking because I've realized that in our world today most people engage in cake baking. So we have things like cake in cups which are being sold all over. So I took advantage of this summer school to be able to learn the skill of cake baking. And then so far so good, it has been worth it because we've learned a lot. We started with kitchen hygiene. We also learned how to take proper measurements to ensure good, results of the cake you want to bake. So far the experience has been very, very exciting. We've baked cakes like banana cake, gingerbread cake, and currently we are baking Chelsea buns. We've also, prepared sobolo and other drinks, which I believe that has helped me and has impacted me. And at the end of the day, I'm going to also, organize a group of people and also pass on to them the skills I've learned. And this will go a long way to curb the issue of unemployment in our nation, because that is one of the reasons and the focus of this foundation. So it has been a very great experience, and I want to thank the foundation for this opportunity they give us annually. We are very much grateful and we promise to execute the purpose and the mandates of which they organize the summer school every single year. Thank you.
I am Mrs. Augustine, Research Champion of Pallet Royal Catering Service. I've been assigned here for Mastercard Foundation 2023 Summer School. We started on a Monday, and the students have been taught about kitchen hygiene, personal hygiene, food hygiene. We've also been through different methods of making cakes and different ingredients for using our local ingredients like cassava flour, corn flour, and other local flour. Apart from wheat flour, we can make good use of our local flours. And also they have been taught how to make a local drink like sobolo, samia. They also learned about resin agents, substances that are added to flour mixtures to aerate, increase volume, and also make it lighter. They learned about air as a resin agent, how air can be introduced into flour mixtures. A typical example is by sieving or sifting the flour. They now know how to take good measurements so that they can arrive at the best. Most of them have really learned a lot so that they can pass it on in their community.